Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. So in today's video, we're going to be doing like a stay at home with me while doing my makeup, just so I can film a stay at home with me video. Does that make sense? But yeah, we're going to be creating this look right here. If you guys are interested, you just want to chill, do some makeup and just have a fun time while you're staying at home, then definitely to keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I wanted to do like a very chill sit down, get ready with me, but not really. I don't want to talk too much. I just want to do my makeup with you guys. So it's more or less like do my makeup with me at home in my bedroom while filming a do my makeup video, if that makes sense. But I'm going to just I think I want to start off with my brows first, then do my eyes, and then focus on my face. So I'm going to just do my brows. I'm going to be using this brow pencil from Benoit Beauty, and I'm just going to use this to just quickly fill up my brows. My skin is so ashy and flaky, but I don't want to moisturize it just yet. Look at this pimple thingy right here. Guys, my setup is so simple right now. I have a video on how I'm currently filming in my bedroom. I can't keep myself full. This one is okay now. Let me just brush that into place. So I'm gonna go ahead to clean up my brows using my foundation. This is the one from Juvia's. Oh my god, I took the wrong foundation. Oh, I can't use foundation on my face. Sure, let's go back upstairs. So we're back, guys. I'm literally sitting down on my bed to do this makeup. So I'm gonna use my foundation shade to just clean up my brows, just because I like my brows to blend in with my face. If you have a concealer that is the same shade as your foundation shade, and you can also use that. Guys, my brows. Go on with my eyes. I'm going to be using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. I'm just going to pop that on just a little bit. There we go. So let's start off with the eyeshadow. I have two eyeshadow palettes I want to be using. I'm going to be using these two from Mood Beauty, just because I think I want to do something properly, but then I also want to transition. So I'm going to use this to transition and then use this to kind of like spice things up a bit because it has some color. So I'm going to go in first with, let me take a brush, and I'm going to go in with, ooh, what shade? Let's go in with this brown right here. It's called Mocha. I feel like the lighting is actually not bad. You know what? Let me go in with Nana first, just to set it down a bit. Hello. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go in with this deeper brown shade. It's like a cool tone shade, so it's going to be nice at depth. Is it cool or warm? I think it's cool. It's called Jabari. I'm going to just pop that on this corner right here. Just add a little bit of depth to it. Hey guys, I'm going to go in with the Bull Cap palette. I'm going to be using, this is it's a more vibrant palette compared to this one. This one is like a, you know, natural beats, everyday beats, glam beats, while this one is like the Instagram beats, basically like the color pop beats. So you can see these two together. Oh, this would be like a cute one palette, but I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna start off with this purple shade just because I think it could be what I'm wearing. This one right here. Rain Ha. Hi. So I'm gonna go in again with that purple shade just over here, and I'm literally just gonna buff it out a little bit. So we're just gonna give this like a proper blend. So I think I like how we're looking now. I'm just gonna go in with this other shade. This shade is called Jacaranda. This one right here, these two right here, Bay and Jacaranda, and just put that over here, just to sort of like transition into whatever I decide to put on my lids. I'm gonna go back with that dark purple and just bring it back because I feel like but I'm gonna go back with the same like Arisha palette, and let's use the shade, this matte shade, all over my, just to carve it out a bit. Over there. Oh, I like what it's looking like so far. I think a black liner would be so dope, but I'm not sure if I want to do that. So what I want to do is, I think I want to go in with this shade right here. So we just went in with Shalala right here, and I just used my finger, picked it up, and I'm just pressing it on to the inner corners of my lids. Honestly, I think I prefer it. I think I preferred it when it was matte. What do you guys think? Matte or shimmery? I'm just going to moisturize my face. I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cream. So I'm going to use my foundation. This one is from Juvia's Place. Oh shit, I didn't add primer. Oh, so no primer today. Let's just go in without a primer. So guys, I have my foundation down and blended. I'll do the remaining blending when I'm done with my concealer, but I'm going to be using this concealer from Revolution's Makeup. This is in the shade C11.2. So I'm going to be contouring my face with the Juvia's Place stick foundation in the shade Katsina. I'm just going to take a little bit of that contour stick and blend it in with my actual foundation, just so we get like a more subtle shade, and just apply that on my nose as my nose contour. Right. Oops, I made a mistake. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go in with this Zaron Face Definer in a shade 20, XD20. I think I might have brought out the wrong shade. Oh shit, she's dark. Oh, this is definitely the wrong shade. But I'm just going to just take a little bit of it to just bronze up my face. Just a tiny bit because it's darker than what I usually use. I think I want to go in with this purple shade and use this as my blush. I've never done this before, but I'm eager to see how this turns out. So this is what we're looking like right now. Definitely not bad. I want to work this purple shade as well on my bottom lash line. I'm going to just apply my mascara and then do my lashes off camera. So guys, this is what we're looking like right now. I want to go ahead to just apply some highlight using the Hega and Esther powder just to set my entire face. This is in the shade HC24. I'm gonna use a brown lip liner to just line my lips because we're just gonna do like a really basic nude lip. I'm gonna go in with Brew from Hegai and Esther. It's like a nude shade. Gloss it up with the Fenty Glow. Yes, this gloss gives me life every single time. Then I'm going to set my face using this setting spray from Nuban Beauty. And I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is a finished look right here. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. I just felt like chilling and doing my makeup in my bedroom because it's a lot of stress going upstairs to film and setting up and all that. So I do hope that you are staying at home and that you're staying safe and that you're doing your makeup at the same time. Don't get bored, stay positive, and just slay at home, I guess. So yeah, this is what the final look looks like. I don't know how to feel about this look, but I think it's kind of bomb though. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next or in one of my previous videos. Feel free to check them out. Feel free to also subscribe. It is free. Stick around with me and let's just have fun on here. So yeah, so till we meet again, bye guys.